Did you know your iPhone lets you control which apps track your activity? Today I'll show you how to manage app tracking and protect your privacy. App tracking means apps can follow your activity across the other applications and websites to show personalized ads or collect data. Now let's see how to turn off app tracking. So for that you have to go to settings, and on the top on the search bar you have to type tracking, and the first option, privacy and security tracking, click on that and you will see that it says allow apps to request to track, right? If you want to turn it off completely, then you just have to toggle this and it will ask you at the bottom, allow apps to continue tracking without even asking you, or ask apps to stop tracking completely. And now if you want to give access to individual apps that they can track your phone, then in that case you can just scroll down and toggle the button for the applications which you want, then they can track you. And that's how you control app tracking on your iPhone. Stay secure and protect your privacy. Thank you for watching the video.